The South American rainforest, often referred to as the Amazon rainforest, is a stunningly diverse ecosystem that commands global attention due to its unparalleled wildlife. Spanning across multiple nations, including Brazil, Peru, and Colombia, this verdant expanse is home to an abundance of species, many of which are endemic and not found elsewhere on the planet. The intricate interdependencies among these organisms create a complex web of life that is vital both to the environment and to the cultures of the indigenous peoples who inhabit these regions. The South American rainforest stands as a testament to the extraordinary wildlife that our planet harbors. Through informed conservation strategies and global awareness, we can hope to preserve this remarkable ecosystem for future generations. The Amazon is not merely a geographical entity. It embodies the intricate balance of life, the sustainability of our natural resources, and the enduring spirit of our planet's biodiversity. Every year, as the blazing sun of summer casts its golden rays upon the verdant expanse of the rainforest, an enchanting spectacle unfolds within this vibrant ecosystem. The congregation of scarlet macaws at a designated communal site to drink from a salt lick adjacent to a river. This ritual, marked by both its regularity and its spectacular nature, serves as a poignant reminder of the complex interdependencies that define life within the ecological tapestry of the rainforest. The significance of this event extends beyond mere survival. It encapsulates themes of adaptation, social behavior, and the profound connection between avian species and their habitat. Scarlet macaws, a macaw, are an iconic species known for their brilliant plumage. A kaleidoscope of red, yellow, and blue that dazzles the eyes and captures the imagination. These large parrot species are native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, where they thrive in the lush canopies. However, their interactions with specific geographical features, such as salt licks, reveal much about their physiology and behavioral ecology. Salt licks, which are comprised of naturally occurring mineral-rich deposits, play a crucial role in providing essential minerals that are otherwise scarce in their diet. Thus, the annual arrival of scarlet macaws at these locations is not merely a casual occurrence, but rather an adaptive strategy rooted in their biological needs. The act of drinking from a salt lick entails a compelling display of social behavior among scarlet macaws. In flocks comprising dozens of individuals, these birds exhibit a range of interactions that reflect their social hierarchies and kinship bonds. As they congregate at the salt lick, The macaws engage in vocalizations and displays that serve to reinforce social cohesion and facilitate communication. This gathering is not only a pragmatic endeavor, it is also an occasion for social bonding. Demonstrating the importance of communal cooperation among these intelligent creatures. Thus, the salt lick emerges as a social hub, facilitating not merely sustenance, but also maintaining the intricate web of relationships that characterizes macaw populations. Ecologically, the significance of the scarlet macaw's pilgrimage extends to the wider environment of the rainforest. Their presence at salt licks is indicative of the delicate balance that exists within this biodiverse habitat. As macaws feed on fruits, nuts, and seeds, they play a critical role in seed dispersal, thereby assisting in the propagation of various plant species. By visiting the salt lick and consuming minerals, these birds also influence the local soil composition through their droppings, contributing to the cyclical process of nutrient exchange. Consequently, the annual arrival of scarlet macaws serves as a catalyst for ecological processes, underscoring the interconnectedness of species and their environments within the rainforest ecosystem. Moreover, this yearly phenomenon is often emblematic of broader environmental changes and can serve as an indicator of ecological health. As climate patterns shift and human activities encroach upon these habitats, the timing and frequency of macaws' visits to the salt licks may be affected. Revealing underlying stresses within the ecosystem. The annual migration of scarlet macaws thus becomes a focal point of research, offering insights into the effects of deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and climate change on wildlife behavior and population dynamics. Monitoring these patterns is crucial for conservation efforts aimed at preserving both the scarlet macaws and the rich biodiversity of the rainforest. The annual pilgrimage of the scarlet macaws to drink from a salt lick is a multifaceted event that encompasses themes of survival, social interaction, and ecological impact. This ritual illustrates the complex relationships between the macaws and their environment, revealing the intricate threads that weave together biological necessity and social behavior. As a spectacle of nature, it is a vivid reminder of the beauty and interconnectedness of life within the rainforest, as well as the challenges that threaten such delicate ecosystems. Ultimately, understanding and appreciating the significance of this phenomenon is essential for fostering a deeper reverence for wildlife and advocating for the conservation of our planet's precious natural resources. The jaguar is a solitary and opportunistic hunter, often employing a strategy that emphasizes caution and patience. As it approaches the riverbank, the jaguar must be acutely aware of its surroundings. The need for discretion is paramount. Once in range, the jaguar employs a lethal bite aimed at the back of the skull, delivering a swift and decisive strike. This method is crucial when hunting crocodiles, as the jaguar's strength must overcome the reptile's natural defenses. The intersection of power and precision characterizes this hunting technique, demonstrating the jaguar's status as a master predator. After securing its prey, the jaguar often drags the crocodile into the safety of dense vegetation, where it can consume its meal without being disturbed by competitors. The lush, vibrant rainforests of Panama are home to an extensive array of wildlife, each species adapted to the unique ecological niches that the dense foliage provides. Among these inhabitants is the Coati, a member of the raccoon family. Known for its inquisitive nature and distinctive appearance. This essay explores the journey of a hungry coati, traversing the humid undergrowth of the Panamanian rainforest in search of sustenance. Highlighting the challenges it faces and the adaptation strategies it employs. As dawn breaks over the rainforest, the early morning light filters through the thick canopy, casting intricate patterns on the moist forest floor. The air is laden with humidity, the kind that wraps around one's skin like a warm embrace. It is within this vibrant environment that the hungry coati sets forth on its expedition for food. With its elongated snout and flexible limbs, the coati is well equipped to navigate the complex terrain of the rainforest. This creature, characterized by its long, ringed tail and dexterous paws, embodies a remarkable adaptation, that allows it to thrive in an ecosystem teeming with life. The quest for food is not a mere act of survival for the coati. It is a testament to its resourcefulness. As it scours the ground for fallen fruits, insects, and small vertebrates, the coati employs a keen sense of smell to locate potential meals hidden beneath leaves and within crevices. The humid environment of the rainforest, while nourishing for many plants and animals, also poses significant challenges. The coati must remain vigilant, as predators lurk in the shadows, and food sources are often scattered and unpredictable. Each rustle in the underbrush can signal danger, requiring the coati to balance its hunger with an acute awareness of its surroundings. In its search, the coati may encounter various plants that play crucial roles in its diet. Fruits such as guava, mango, and figs provide essential nutrients, while insects and small animals offer protein. The coati is an omnivore, which grants it the flexibility to exploit a diverse range of food resources. This adaptability is particularly important in the rainforest, where food availability can fluctuate due to seasonal changes or environmental pressures. The coati's diet not only sustains its individual health, but also contributes to the ecological balance of the forest. As its foraging behaviors aid in seed dispersion and the control of insect populations. As the coati continues its journey, the interlinked nature of the rainforest community becomes apparent. The dense vegetation offers not only food, but also shelter and security, while the coati's movements assist in maintaining the health of the ecosystem. The humid conditions foster a symbiotic relationship between flora and fauna, wherein each organism plays a pivotal role in the life cycle of the forest. The coati, by foraging and scavenging, facilitates this interconnectedness, demonstrating how even the smallest creature can impact its environment. As the sun rises, the rainforest comes to life, and the quetzal embarks on its quest for sustenance. Quetzals primarily feed on fruit, particularly those of the avocados and wild figs, which are abundant in their cloud forest habitats. The bird's long tail feathers and vibrant plumage not only add to its allure, but also facilitate its agile movements through the dense vegetation. This capability is essential, as the quetzal must navigate an array of environmental challenges while foraging for food. In addition to fruits, these birds also consume insects and small vertebrates, demonstrating a versatile dietary adaptation that enables them to thrive within their niche. Throughout the day, the resplendent quetzal engages in various social interactions. They are generally solitary or found in pairs, though during certain times of the year, one may observe small groups as they congregate around abundant food sources. The social structure of the quetzal reflects a delicate balance between individuality and social interaction, which is vital for maintaining genetic diversity within the species. These interactions often extend to establishing and defending territory, as males assert their dominance through displays of plumage and vocalizations. As dusk approaches, the quetzal prepares for rest, seeking refuge in the hollowed trunks of trees or among dense foliage. This behavior is crucial for safeguarding against predators, such as hawks and snakes, that are prevalent in the rainforest environment. The choice of nesting sites within the forest canopy exemplifies the bird's intricate relationship with its habitat, revealing how its behaviors have evolved in response to the pressures of predation and environmental stability. The daily life of the resplendent quetzal in the rainforest encapsulates a narrative of adaptability and resilience within a complex ecosystem. Their vibrant presence not only serves to enchant those who venture into their habitat, but also reinforces the essential roles that such species play in maintaining ecological balance. As we continue to unravel the dynamics of rainforest ecosystems, it is imperative to recognize the resplendent quetzal as a symbol of both natural beauty and the ongoing challenges of conservation. Preserving such species is critical, not only for the protection of biodiversity, but also for the health and longevity of the rainforests they inhabit. The resplendent quetzal reminds us of the importance of coexistence and the intricate web of life that flourishes within the depths of the rainforest.